computerized half-breed.
My mother was a teacher, including the captain.
Aye, aye, sir. Aye, aye, sir.
My mother was a teacher.
Computerized half-breed.
Captain. Captain. I was happy. I was happy. I was happy. I was happy.
Aye, aye, sir.
My mother was a teacher.
Ahead, walk back to one. So.
Captain. I was happy. I was happy.
Aye, aye, sir.
Captain! Captain!
How can you mend my heart?